Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuri Tochila, and let's get started. Today we are diving into process level integration, what it means, how it works in real world practice, and the keys to mastering it. What is process level integration? Process level integration means that decisions or outputs in one knowledge area impact other knowledge areas. Every action creates a ripple effect across the project. We adjust scope, our schedule shifts, we cut down on the budget, quality might suffer. We set up a risk response, it could eat into our contingency funds. It's like a web. We can't just pull out one string without the others moving. How it works in practice. Imagine we are managing a software implementation project for a retail company. The client suddenly asks, "Can we add mobile payment support?" Here is the chain reaction. We take on that new scope. Our dev team needs extra sprints. More sprints, the schedule shifts. Schedule shift, training and rollout are delayed. Delays increase costs. The budget is impacted. Expanded functionality requires additional testing and tighter quality controls. One scope change cascades into schedule, cost, quality, and stakeholder expectations. That's process level integration in real life. How to master process level integration? Use integrated tools. Avoid managing scope, schedule, and cost in disconnected systems. Use tools that link data across plans. Document impacts. Every approved change should include an impact analysis across all affected knowledge areas. Facilitate cross-functional communication. Involve functional managers and key stakeholders, so everyone stays aligned with the bigger picture. Capture lessons learned. When a decision triggers a cascade, document what worked and what didn't to improve future integration. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.